This is how you can start a laundry business with less than 1,000 shillings. People hate doing laundry, and because that is a problem, as an entrepreneur, that is your opportunity to make money. If you come from a busy neighborhood, then you automatically qualify to start this business. First, you will need to put your ego aside. When people present money at the bank, it does not come written that this was made from a blue-collar job, or made from an NGO, or made from a charcoal kiosk. You do not need a physical shop for you to start the business, because you can simply start with your neighbors as your first clients or customers. So depending on which financial level you are in, what you're going to require is maybe some extra detergents and maybe a few more basins to start you off. That shouldn't cost you anything above $10. Do not be afraid to start from hand washing. And if you do not have an ironing box, you can make arrangements to get that, so as to help you earn an extra income from ironing clothes after laundry. For starters, you can use your own home as the place where you do the laundry. It's very important for you to start from where you are. And that means with the immediate neighborhood, people that are already familiar with you, people around you, people that you can point directly and tell them, I come from that apartment. So when it comes to marketing, the next thing that you're going to do is to go print brochures or leaflets outlining the service that you offer. And if possible, quote the price. For example, I will wash your clothes at 300 bob. You can also state that you can also get something like ironing at an extra cost. You just need to be creative, but do not be complicated. And also include your phone number down there so that someone can WhatsApp you, call you, or text you. Make sure you give a competitive rate, because most of these people have alternatives already. So it doesn't hurt to come up with a competitive price that will help you have an edge. And some of these people are going to appreciate you if you're going to give them an extra service for free. Let's say the price that you state already inclusive of something like ironing. Personally, I'll be so happy to have someone iron my clothes without using my electricity tokens. The secret lies with being very good at what you do. Being very humble to start small, delivering as fast as possible. Starting and succeeding in a business is dependent on your first few clients, because most of your next clients are going to come from your referral. So you really need to be good at what you do and have good customer service. So when it comes to growth, as you grow, it is important to start practicing good financial planning habits, such as saving your money, because this will help you to achieve the financial capital required to eventually buy the machines, the laundry machines, and set up a physical shop, because you're not always going to operate from your house. And also put into consideration that as your clients also grow, it's advisable to start having casuals who are going to help you with the laundry. For up to 5 clients or maybe 10, you can be able to handle that by yourself. But as it increases, it is good to delegate and have people who assist you, but do not delegate the marketing. When you're starting especially, it is better to have people washing while you go out there to sell, and doing things like delivery and pickup. This will help you create a friendly bond with your clients. That will go a long way to boost your business. It will also help you avoid situations where your staff start stealing away your clients by offering juicier deals. You know, they understand your weaknesses. There will come a time when you can delegate 100% of your business system, or a bigger percentage of the same. But when starting, please ensure that you are at the forefront of selling and carrying out client service. So therefore, be patient and keep going one step at a time. Soon you will have a steady flow of income, a steady flow of clients, and then become more creative as you grow. Find ways to take your business to the next level. I look forward to hearing your success story. Please like, share, and subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos. If you enjoyed watching these, please let me know in the comment section.